Ophelia, what are you playing in? What are you playing in? Is that your exerciser? Your toes don't quite touch the bottom yet, do they? No? Are you running in the air without any ground? What's going on? Oh, you're trying to touch your toes. You like this toy? Yeah? Yeah? Oh. Wow, what are you playing with there? What did you find? Is it a turtle? You have a phone here too. Oh wow.